Dear viewer, how are you? Hope fine. Today I am going to dismantle the unloader of Tanabe air compressor. These two lines, one is connected to the LP side of the, or you can say first stage of the compressor, and this one is connected. I exactly do not know, but one is connected with the first stage and one is connected with the second stage of the compressor. Similarly, these two holes are connected with the one with the upper side of the gasket, upper side of the cooler of Tanabe air compressor, and one with the second stage of Tanabe air compressor. Here it is the coil which pull up the whole mechanism, pull up the inside piston, which open up the close the means energy is normally open. It's a fail-safe system, also normally open, and when we put voltage, give voltage to the coil, which will insert here, it will close and put the compressor on load. Normally the compressor, when the compressor is not running, it is open. For hexagonal bolt, opening with the help of Allen key. The Allen key number is 6M, means 6 mm. This is the first cover I have opened. You put some good marking on it so that, but you can see a hole here. It will connect in this when I will reverse box it up this unloader. Okay, and now see what's here. You have seen this. Now what's here up? This is a piston of LP side. This is for first stage. Sorry, I have my guess is that this was the LP or first stage, but it is not. This is the LP. This is the LP or first stage, and this is the HP or second stage. We can call HP or second stage. Piston. O-ring here, mainly this O-ring damage. You have to, this O-ring is a little bit deformed, but it can seal the surface inside the block. A pin with a spring. First you have to put a spring needle. First you have to put this. Okay, if you have to remove this O-ring, use a flat screwdriver. You can open it up. I will show you how to open it. Now I am opening the LP piston gasket. This is not a standard screwdriver, but I will try to pull it up because I'm in my room and also the driver screwdriver in the room. You can see it's very hard. Okay. No problem. You will open this and will change the ring. We have put this one, then this one on the top, this way. It will work this way. Now I am going to dismantle it from the other side. It have a flange, that's why it will take some time to open it up. No problem, I will open it a little bit or bit by bit. Take some time. I have removed now all the screws from here. Now let's see what's here. Nothing special. This is marking, I think so. It must mate with the marking. This is the marking, I think so. Because this one is blank. This one will also blank, but it has some kind of no gasket here, no sealing here. Now let's see. Okay, this is the piston of the HP, that's why it is of Teflon. A spring, okay. If air come from this piston, it will not goes out from here. This piston is acting or sealing like this way. And this piston will push up when there is a air from the back. From the back, how is air come? Let's see it. The hole is connected to the top. It means if this piston push down, and it's pushed down normally when the unloader is air come from this hole abnormally, air will drain. But if this whole assembly got upward, it must have to close. Sorry, if it is pushed downward, I think, then it will be closed. Why it is not closing? Let me see it. Why it is not closing? Okay, it must be closed then. If this moved onward, then no air. If this move upward due to the sunlight, then it means it must be moved onward when it is energized. Let's see the hole. This marking here, it's mean when it is energized, this whole assembly will go up and will when this become magnetized, it will attract or attach with this, because there is a marking. It's mean it's when energy is given or current is given to the coil, it will put the compressor on load. Okay, when it's moved upwards, this hole got aligned with the bottom hole, and the bottom will also move downward. Mean it's using the first stage or LP air to push the second piston downward. In this fashion, it will also block the piston will also block the second. This is, I think, the normal position. No, this is must be good somewhat inside, because this have some collar getting out. This is the position. No air when the piston, this piston is moved downward. Okay. And normally this is open, and this is open. And this is closed. You can see the piston position here also. There is some hole inside the body also. You can see it's aligned. somewhat here with this plug and with this upper hole. In this upper hole is connecting with this hole, which mean, what does this mean? What's the purpose of this hole is that this area is, I think so, for the opening of this piston, as well as when this air will also at the middle of this something, so there must be a hole. Okay. And this is all for the video of unloader. Let now assembled. The spring must be at the back of the HP side piston. Put the piston inside. Put this black one with this black, I think so. And I know I can see position. Sorry. No, we can see the hole is simply the piston is cleared. Now put the Allen bolt back. Tightening the last Allen bolt of the LP side, sorry, HP side of the unloader. Okay, let's confirm it that all ones have tightened the required Newton meter torque, because I'm not using a torque span. Once again, a spring needle will put inside of the LP piston gasket, or in normally this gasket got damaged. With passage of time you have to open it with the use of flat screwdriver. Put inside. Now this hole will align with this one. Now this is the whole assembly of unloader of Tanabe air compressor. Thanks for joining and watching the video. Allah Hafiz. Subscribe to my channel also. Thank you. Have good dreams.